Hi guys, welcome back to Family Life Daily Ideas. Today we will be reusing our McDonald's kids meal box. Do not throw away the box. The picture that's on the box, you can reuse it. You can design a centerpiece for a birthday party. Today's theme is Sonic 2, the Sonic 2 movie. This will be a wonderful activity for family during summertime or before the birthday. You can come together as a family and create this table centerpiece. These are the items we will be needing to create the table centerpiece. Some craft paper, a scissors, beads and garland from last year's Christmas decoration, and a little bucket or cute container to place them in. Carefully cut out the picture that is on the box. You will place a skewer behind the picture to give it some height. To fill in the empty space that's in the bucket, we will squash some newspaper and place it in there. Follow along as I put this beautiful yet easy, cheap, frugal, and budget-friendly table centerpiece together. There you go guys, a very beautiful yet easy table centerpiece, and you did not pay that much. It was just items that you had laying around and also your McDonald's kids meal box. I hope you give this idea a try and let me know in the comments how your decoration came out, how excited your little one was. If this video was informative to you, please subscribe for more. Join the family on Family Life Daily Ideas, where we keep your creative minds flowing with easy, budget-friendly ideas. And with that being said, I will see you in our next video.